Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Both devices are updated on the same Apple ID and have Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth enabled. Once done, open Settings on the iPhone and enable handoff. Make sure VisionPro is awake and in pairing mode. You should be close to the headset and keep your phone unlocked. Now trigger VisionPro's pairing flow. This begins the direct connection and signals your iPhone to look for the headset. When the headset appears in your iPhone's Bluetooth list, tap it to pair. You'll see a code on both devices, so confirm they match. After acceptance, grant permissions for contacts, notifications, and camera if prompted. These let apps mirror and route calls. Next, enable specific continuity options like AirPlay and shared clipboard so video, audio, and content flow smoothly. Make sure iCloud syncing completes. This is why signing into the same Apple ID matters. Finish by choosing where audio and video should play and which apps can appear on the headset. Adjust those controls in VisionPro settings. You should test a FaceTime call, an AirPlay stream, and an app handoff to confirm full functionality. If something fails, the single most useful troubleshooting step is a restart of both devices and a quick check for OS updates. If pairing still fails, reset network settings on the iPhone and retry.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.